What's happening? It's Johnny Snow back in the building, and today we're gonna take a look at the Mando build, which is my SDS VP12. This thing. All right, there she is. See, she got the charging handle on the other side. This right here is supposed to be a Chinese version of the VEPA 12, since you can't buy the VEPA 12 anymore unless you're willing to spend an arm and leg left nut. Well, you can get this, and it's pretty much just like a VEPA. You know, it uses VEPA parts, uses all that, and let's get a closer look at this thing. All right, so let's go ahead and address the obvious. The wood is beautiful. This is from WAS Woodworks. WAS Woodworks. You can find them on Instagram. Just go to Instagram, send them a message if you want to get anything that you ever see that I show you from him. That's how you'll get in touch with them. All right, so this is a design that I drew up, and basically, you know, the way this design is off of one of those guns that the Mandalorian had on the show, the Mandalorian. I saw the stock of the gun look like that, so I kind of drew it out and drew how I wanted the front to be and everything, and he put it together. So that's why I call this the Mando. So this is SDS VP12. SDS imports this, and basically a Chinese company that, I don't know if the company is that makes it is SDS or if they're just the importer, but either way it goes, this is a SDS VP12. All right. Changed out the foregrip, changed out the pistol grip, changed out the stock, and he basically made this a little bit longer for me, for my arm. And you know what? Let me show you something. All right, so let me show you the beauty of this. It fits right there in the curve right there by your pit. It fits in there real good, and it is very comfortable. Very, very, very comfortable. And I just absolutely love the feel of this gun. And when you're shooting it, it is, you know, it hits right there where it should. So this is quickly becoming my favorite shotgun. Yeah, quickly becoming my favorite shotgun. And if you want to, just go to WAS Woodworks, tell them the one you made from Johnny Snow. He'll know exactly what you're talking about. He'll know exactly what you're talking about. But, you know, I just wanted to do a real quick video to show you guys this shotgun. Oh, yeah. And I have a JMac RRD4C. That's a RRD4C by JMac on the end. All right. There she is. There she is. There she is. All right. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe. That way you can follow the journey that I take all of these weapons on. And make sure you hit the notifications so you know every time I put out a video. Johnny Snow up out of here.